It's your boy Byron, aka the Mow-Town Hustler, aka the Grass Assassin. Hey, the question is, what do you need to start a lawn care business? I'm finna give you an answer. Don't stop the video. You don't need anything. Don't stop the video. Let me clarify. The reason I say that is because I had a situation happen to me. It's probably been a year or so ago. You know, I was cutting lawns. I had a potential customer come up to me and ask me to cut their lawn, and they told me they had a lawnmower, they had a weed eater, and they had everything they needed to cut their own lawn. They just didn't want to do it. They said, I'm welcome to use their equipment and cut their lawn. Of course, I always use my own equipment, but that got me to thinking that for somebody who wants to start their own lawn care business, you don't necessarily need anything. Of course, you need a lawnmower, a weed eater, a blower to actually do the work, but that stuff doesn't have to belong to you. You know, if there's a lot of homeowners that have their own equipment, they just either don't have the time or the desire to do their own yard. All you have to have is the desire to start or grow a lawn care business. And then another scenario of that is, over the course of me cutting lawns, I've had equipment given to me, you know. So I think as long as you demonstrate the desire, the willingness to do the work, people will support you. I've had mowers given to me for free. I've acquired discarded mowers that I got back operational. Weed eaters and blowers. You know, a lot of times you can get access to these things for free. You can get these things given to you for free. You know, people buy new stuff. All they want to do is get rid of their old stuff so they have room for their new stuff. So, to make a long story short, you don't need anything to get started. You just need to get started, and then it's like the law of attraction. Stuff will start coming to you. Customers will start coming to you. It's not hard. You just have to have that desire, you know. So I just wanted to put that out there to you guys that want to get started, and some of you guys that's just wait until you have everything you need, you feel you need to get started. You don't need the things you think you need to get started. You just need to get started. You know, just if you don't have a mower, a blower, a weed eater, or anything, just let somebody know, a homeowner, a family member, whatever, know that you want to start a lawn care business, or you're willing to cut their grass. You don't have any equipment. If they have equipment they'll let you use to get started, you'll cut their yard, and then you can grow from there. You know, it's pretty much that simple. You know. So, hey, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification button, you know, and I'll see you in the lawn.